Así toca andar en la chamba, viendo a los clientes. Por ahí que no está arrancando el compresor. Vamos a ver si hay voltaje. No me golpea ahí. 240. Entrando. 240 saliendo. Está bien. El capacitor va a ser problema. Esperamos que solo eso sea. Porque a veces el compresor se pega, no quiere. Hay que limpiar la caja de conexiones. Aquí le jalamos el pull. So we have to clean a connector. If there is any sparkle, we don't get a fire in the wires. The voltage. I have a 240 coming in to the contactor, 240 coming out. There is 24 volts already. I disconnect the power already. Now I want to check the capacitor. I want to set the multimeter on microphone right there. So I want to check the common. The common was, so some dual capacitor is 4 legs and 3 legs for the horn. 3.3 common to fan, because the fan still was running. So common to horn 1.2. So the capacitor need replaced. Hopefully it's only that's the problem. This is only for contain. So I'm connected the commons, which is the yellow, and here that goes to the compressor is the blue. So this is a disclaimer, the brown to the fan. So this is disclaimer, this is not a teaching, okay? It's just a contain and for people who learn and go to school. So, or if you're a homeowner, just to give an idea how things work. So I'm gonna connect the power back. I can hear the compressor kick on. We're gonna check for amps. And I can feel the heat for the fan, condenser fan. So I got 5.2 for the hand, and for the runs 10.7, 0.8 is just too close. And the other black is for the fan, so it's only 0.7 for the condenser fan. And the common 6 amp, and the other common goes to the compressor. Is 9. So like this yellow is for the compressor, 9.2, and the blue for the compressor 5, and the other black for the compressor 11. So always going to be one high and one low. And I'm going to check I can feel the pipe sweating. I'm going to check the pressure, see if it needs some freon. So low and high. What do you guys think? It's blowing hot air. It's like 90 degrees. This is R22. It's a little high on the high side, but because the condenser is all condenser and it's dirty, the coil. Pretty much is good. It's not like you really need film. You leave it like that. But it's working good.